Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Got a lot going on. Let me give you a quick update. What I'm doing today, I'm working on the turbo over here. This turbo's got a lot of blow by. I mean, there's oil and just grease and grime everywhere, all over the block. I mean, the turbo looks clean, but that's because I've been cleaning it off. This has a Mitsubishi TD05 in it. So, but it's got play. It spins, but I don't feel like messing with it because it's just gonna make a mess. So I'm gonna go out to my other car out here. I need to get the manifold off this. What I'm gonna do is I have another spare turbo in the garage. We're gonna put a fresh turbo cartridge in the turbo, and we're just gonna reuse the exhaust and compressor housings and go with that. So it'll be a stock build. Got it. 1990 and above B230FT exhaust manifold for a 740 turbo. This one looks to be in pretty good shape. I'm looking for cracks and stuff. I don't see anything. You guys see anything? I mean, if there are cracks, I can have my buddy Jamal weld it, but this thing's in really good shape. There's not a single crack on it that I could see. I mean, I still got to clean it up, but there we go. That's what I needed right there. That makes my life a lot easier bolting up a TD04. He's out. Turbo's out. So the turbo that's in the wagon it's still in the wagon. This is the one out of this car, and this is a one I pulled off a wrecked 745 turbo that was sitting in pick and pull. This car was super clean. Yeah, see, this one's in good shape inside. On this exhaust housing, there's a crack. On this one, there's no crack. So this is going to be the turbo that we're going to rebuild. Yeah, she got play in her. Oh yeah. Lots of play. I'm gonna go in there and pull the finish pulling the turbo off the wagon, and that'll give me a really good understanding of what I need to get. Okay, we're back in the garage, everyone. It's a little bit of a mess. I got a lot going on right now. I got exhaust. I've been cleaning the interior. I've been pulling manifolds off, turbos off, vacuuming, detailing the engine bay. Pull the turbo out and the manifold. I had to pull the oil filter off, and the worst possible oil filter was on this car. It's a Fram, unfortunately. I don't use Fram, guys. They're garbage. Show you guys what I'm doing. Up in here, I gotta get in here. There's a bracket I gotta take off. I don't know if you can see what I got you looking at, but I'm holding on to this so it doesn't drop in the oil. But I gotta take a bracket off, and I should be able to get the manifold and turbo off because I already have it all bolted, minus like the bottom bolt here for the turbo going onto the exhaust. But yeah, let me do that. I'm trying to get this last nut off right here. This car's been worked on before, and this stud stripped a little bit, so it's fighting me. But yeah, I have everything else unbolted. Once I get that done, I have the bottom bracket undone. It should come off. Turbo's fighting me. I have it loose. I just got to get it out now. It's just in there tight. I can't wait to get that other manifold in. It comes in and out a lot easier than this damn thing. I've almost got it out. This is fighting me. I've been up and down like 20 times. I've got everything off. It's in there tight, guys, so just give me a minute. I got the turbo out. There it is. That's the manifold and the turbo. And you can see with these older manifolds, the only way to get the turbo off is you got to take the manifold off and unbolt the turbo from the backside, which is pretty stupid, I think. So here's the difference in the manifolds. You can see big difference the way they're set up. These flow a lot better. So we're gonna be upgrading to this manifold. I gotta get some new exhaust manifold gaskets. All right, I got the turbo out. You can see, big old hole there now. But you see why I wanted to get in here. It's really dirty. Let's get some light. See all the oil and grease and just grime. That's from that turbo leaking. So I saw that. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna take the turbo out. I have so many spare parts. I might as well just upgrade. I know what I wanted to show you. This here. All right, check out the cowl. I got the cowl on the ground here. I got it out. There's just, I knew how to take it out. There's one more bolt there. Took it out. Look at all this debris in here. I mean, there's a lot. Right here it's real thick. Look how thick this is. That's not good. So I'm gonna vacuum all this out. Look at that. I still gotta put the covers back in, but I'm gonna clean those because you can see those through the grill. But yeah, she's nice and clean now. Got all 99% of the debris out. I think the rain will take care of the rest. I hope that helps with the drainage as well. All right, everyone, you saw in the last video that I had vacuumed out the carpet and kind of detailed everything on the driver's side, front and back. What I'm gonna do tonight is I got my carpet cleaner here. Right now, let's get these carpets cleaned because they're pretty nasty. I got it filled up with hot water and solution, guys. Let me hook it up to the machine. This is a really good carpet cleaner. I've used it before. It does a really good job. There we go. So I'm gonna pre-treat it first. This is coming out pretty hot. Okay, what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Considering it was green before, that's pretty damn good. Yeah, carpet's clean. Let's do the front now. Almost forgot to show you guys how dirty this water is. Look at this. That's the water that came out of this thing. Like, look how dirty that is. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Yeah, that's gonna do it. That's what I'm looking for right there. It brought the color back. It's good for now. I'm gonna leave the door open, let this dry. She's a little wet, but it's not too bad. I mean, you can touch it and it's damp, but we're gonna let this dry with the door open. See the side, look at that. That looks so much better. Yeah, I just want to get this clean because I didn't want to have all that dirt and grime in here. I do have some all-weather mats that I'm putting in. They're Volvo OEM mats. I actually got them at Pick and Pull last year, I believe, or maybe probably about a year and a half ago. I grabbed them at Pick and Pull. I saw them sitting in a 745 turbo. It was a way cleaner turbo than this. It was a red one, and it was super mint. And it was in there because I could tell the transmission had blown. The transmission fluid looked like liquid metal. I'm gonna get back to work on this tomorrow. But until then, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.